don't worry about it. Go ahead and step out.
He has no charges whatsoever to charge me.
Go back to your vehicle.
He can't charge me.
Ma'am, go back to your vehicle.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll remember Jimbo.
I'll see you in a few weeks, punk.
Trooper Young couldn't handle being called a punk, and he certainly couldn't allow a free American to exercise his First Amendment rights, so he chases Jimbo down and pulls him over again. If not, a link to that full video can be found in the description, while an update to that story is coming soon. This video was only made possible by Jimbo and his efforts in creating a watchdog group on Facebook that keeps an eye on the Mississippi Highway Patrol, which now has almost 16,000 members. Sometimes, members in the group will post their own stories, and shortly after this one was posted, Jimbo reached out to me concerning a video that one of the group members had posted. On Christmas Eve in 2022, Aaron was driving with his family. As it turns out, his brother is an Arkansas state trooper, his father was a police officer for 30 years, and Aaron himself was law enforcement for 12 years. But on this Christmas Eve, he was stopped for speeding by Mississippi State Trooper Cameron Bell, out of the same station as the trooper that caused an issue for Jimbo. The footage begins as Trooper Bell is on the phone, talking about how the court and lawyers love the troopers because of the tickets they write, when the trooper notices a truck driving in the opposite lane and does a U-turn to initiate a traffic stop.
When them motherfuckers goddamn call me like we friends. We ain't fucking friends, nigga. Like, and then it be the court. They love. Well, I be.
Just before he catches up to the truck, which is now pulled over to the side of the road, Trooper Bell notices another vehicle that he would rather pull over and does a second U-turn.
Oh, that's an even better one. 7 to 8. I'm on his ass. Fuck that shit. Nope.
Eventually, Trooper Bell catches up with the vehicle.
They work in the courthouse, so nobody around here really like do no work. And so when we came up here, man, we were ripping their fucking mouth out, so they were like, what the hell? And I guess they really be trying to like be real nice in case before they folks up and be asking for help on tickets and shit. That's where you got the driver's license and insurance. You got a copy of your insurance? What's the rest today?
I didn't realize I was going that fast.
Okay.
Aaron and his wife attempt to locate their insurance paperwork, but are having an issue finding it.
I tell you what, when y'all find out, I'm gonna step back in. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Trooper Bell returns to his cruiser, and in record fashion is able to write and print the speeding ticket in less than a minute and a half, and then returns to Aaron's driver's side window. The trooper immediately hands Aaron his driver's license and his citation, and informs him of the details of where to appear. At this point, Aaron is in possession of the ticket, and Trooper Bell has taken a step back from the window. Aaron, frustrated with receiving a ticket and the fact that they couldn't find their insurance paperwork, throws the ticket into his glove box, which for some reason sends Trooper Bell into a fit of rage.
Just have the insurance and future reference, okay? This is going to be a phone number to the Marshall County District Court right here at the bottom. Give them a phone call, they get you guys taken care of. Hey, I tell you what, I will lock your ass up now.
Lock me up.
Don't worry about it. Go ahead and step out. Go ahead and get out. Put your hands by, turn around, put your hands by your back.
You're going to lock me up for throwing something in my vehicle. No, let him. He doesn't have anything to charge me on.
Please don't.
He doesn't have anything to charge me on.
Stop.
I was a police officer for 12 years. I know.
Sure what you were.
Sir, please, this is crazy.
Don't let him. Let him take me to the courthouse.
Hey, ma'am.
He has nothing to charge me on.
Ma'am, go ahead.
He has no charges whatsoever to charge me
Go
on.
back to your vehicle.
He can't charge me.
Ma'am, go back to your vehicle.
Just go.
Ma'am, go back to your vehicle.
Just come get me out of jail. I don't care.
Ma'am.
He doesn't have anything to charge me on.
Ma'am, get in your vehicle. Hey, He's gonna be fine.
Go sit in the car. Just
go back to his car. Okay?
Go get in the car. Don't worry about it.
Go back to his car.
Don't worry. Go get in the car.
We're just turning on a Christmas.
Go get in the car.
Aaron, we can't have this.
Don't worry about it.
Hey.
He can't charge me with anything.
You guys go ahead and go back.
He better have his audio and video on, because if he doesn't, then...
Go ahead and go back to the car, okay? Hey, go ahead and go back to the car. Ma'am, get your crowd. We're going to be going to the Marshall County Jail. Y'all just have to come bun him out from there, okay? Just go ahead and load back in your vehicle.
It's okay.
Ma'am, get you and all of your people loaded back in the car before you go to jail with them. Now you can go ahead and have a seat.
Aaron has now been arrested, and his family reluctantly leaves to bail him out of jail. During his transport, Trooper Bell radios in that Aaron has been arrested for speeding.
You can log in 1015 white male, Highway 7 and Route 2, Marshall County, SO, speed. Alright, what's the deal? What's all that about? I mean, you're doing 7, 8, and 55. I write you a ticket. What's all this snatching my dang hand off about?
It's not your hand. I took the driver's license and the ticket from you, and I threw it over in the glove box.
You just about snatched my hand about it. What's all that about?
Trooper Bell has now alleged that Aaron snatched the ticket out of his hands, but by watching the trooper's own dashcam video, it appears that Aaron was given his driver's license and the ticket prior to Trooper Bell stepping backwards, and that Trooper Bell's overreaction to Aaron tossing his ticket into his glove box occurred after the paperwork exchanged hands.
No, I took the driver's license and the ticket, and I threw it over towards the glove box.
Okay, I understand that, but what's all the attitude about? I mean, I didn't tell you to get out on the road and speed.
It had nothing to do with the speeding.
I was not
rude. It
rude
didn't have
to you.
anything to do with you.
I was not rude to you.
I was pissed off my wife because she never put your insurance card in the car, just like I told her to.
Well, see, I don't have anything to do with that.
About the speeding.
Like
I paid the speeding.
Like I told you, just have insurance for future reference. I didn't even write you a citation for insurance.
Well,
it was straight
it didn't have anything to do with you.
Well, when you snatched the ticket out of my hand,
I didn't snatch it out of your hand. I
okay.
took it out of your hand and I threw it over in the glove box.
All righty.
So, whatever. I don't care.
I mean, it's no problem. I was just asking what the problem was. But hey,
it ain't no problem for me.
But it's fine. It's okay.
You say you're going to charge me with speeding? So I'm bond out on speeding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. It makes no difference to me.
Yes, sir. Hey, go ahead, mate. Yes, ma'am. Oh, no, I'm 1015 from Highway 7 by Wild Doxon.
Aaron was bailed out of jail and was able to spend Christmas with his family, but as of this video, he is still fighting the charge of speeding. After Jimbo posted this video to Facebook, Trooper Bell went out of his way to report the post in an attempt to have it removed, causing what is commonly known as the Streisand effect. Big thanks to Jimbo for sending this in. If you'd like to check out or join his watchdog group, a link to it will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.